Welcome back to our A to Z Legacy Alphabet in honor of Black History Month. Let's get started. The letter U is for unity. Have you ever worked on a group project where everyone helped out to make something really awesome? That's what unity is all about. People coming together to support each other and reach a common goal. In the African American community, unity has always been important. During the civil rights movement, people of all ages and backgrounds joined hands in peaceful marches and protests. They stood side by side, refusing to give up until everyone was treated fairly. By working together, they changed unfair laws and opened doors for future generations. Today, unity still makes a big difference, and it's more important than ever. When we come together, share our gifts, and stand strong as a community, we can overcome challenges and spark change that helps everyone. Every single person has something to offer, and when we join our strengths, we can make big and positive change for ourselves, our communities, and our future. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We will see you next time.